Hello and welcome to Something Creative with Kleiner. People who know me know that I'm a plant person and I have around 40 plus plants. The best way to have a plant is if you see a plant, grab it. It has never got me into trouble, but I'm not sure about you. Just kidding. So if you want to have a plant, find a nursery and get it. Now that we are talking about plants, how can we forget about fertilizers? So today I'm going to share 6 of my favorite homemade fertilizers which are chemical free and which can be easily made from our kitchen waste. So your plants are happy and you're happy. You can use these fertilizers for your flowering plants and also your vegetable garden. So you're not harming the environment and also reducing your waste. Yes? And it is readily available with everyone. So your plants get all the nutrition that they require. So let's get started.
We are going to use plastic container with lid to prepare our fertilizer. It should be an airtight container. I'm going to fill half the container with water. So now we are ready to prepare the fertilizers. First is the eggshell fertilizer. The eggshells are a rich source of calcium. It moderates soil's acidity while providing nutrition to the plant. Wash and sun dry it for 4 to 5 days and you can try to crush it with hands, but it is difficult, so I'll powder it in the mixie jar and bring it back. So now you can see that it is not a fine powder, but it is okay. The smell and texture of this eggshell powder drives away the snail which eat the root and leaves of our plants. It's a slow releasing fertilizer. Repeat it every 15 days. It is best for the vegetable garden. After using this fertilizer, you will see a lot of fruits. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of eggshell fertilizer on the top of your soil and mix it slowly with the soil. It will also make your soil soft. Second is the tea leaf fertilizer. Strain used tea leaves and wash it thoroughly under water. You can either put it directly on plants or dry it. So here I am showing you how after drying for 2 days you can use it on your plant. It balances the pH level of the soil and helps to keep the leaves green and helps in good flowering and improves the photosynthesis process of the plants. It will release slowly as it's a slow releasing fertilizer. So you can repeat it after 15 to 30 days. Tea leaves create a more fertile environment and improves the soil quality after decomposing. When using for your indoor plants, place them outside for few days and after it starts decomposing, you can bring it back. In this particular plant, I have put the tea leaves directly after washing and it's been 2 days. Sometimes you will see a small fungal growth, then just mix it with soil and it will be just fine. This particular plant was under a snail attack. That's why I have also sprinkled the eggshell fertilizer. That's why this white powder, and you can also see that all the snails have died. In this plant, it's been more than a week and you can see that the tea leaves have almost decomposed and it's turned into soil. Eat the banana and collect all the banana peels and cut them into small pieces. Remove the big part as it will take time to decompose. Put it in water and store it for 1 week, stirring it occasionally. After 1 week, you will see that the peels have become soft and can be easily mashed with hands. Strain and dilute it. The ratio to be used is 1:10. Use it every 15 days. You can pour it directly in the soil and can also be sprayed to the plant. It's a wonderful fertilizer for flowering and fruits and vegetable bearing plants. It is rich in potassium, phosphorus and magnesium. It can also be used by sun drying and crushing it into fine powder. It helps plants move water and nutrients between cells, strengthening the stems, protect them from disease, improves the quality of fruits and vegetables and flower. Best for tomato and pepper chilies. For potato peel fertilizer, peel the potato and store it in water for 1 to 2 weeks, stirring occasionally. Dilute it in the ratio of 1:10 and you can repeat it every 15 days. It can also be boiled and cooled completely and then poured it in soil and sprayed. It boosts soil fertility and water retention of the plant. Potato fertilizer is full of starch and both vegetable and flowering plants show good result after use. The onion peel fertilizer is my favorite among all the fertilizers. Collect onion peels and put it in water and let it sit for 2 days, stirring occasionally. You'll see that the color of the water changes to pink. This is day 1 and this is day 2. You can see that the color of the water has changed to pink. It is full of vitamins and minerals. Dilute it in the ratio of 1:10. Pour it in your indoor and outdoor plants. It promotes excellent flowering. It increases the disease resistance of plants. It promotes growth, provides strength to stem, and overall productivity of the plant. It is rich in potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, and copper. Pour it generously on your plant. You can also use a spray to spray it on the leaves. Your plants will love it and you will see the result in no time. Next is the rice water fertilizer. Every time I wash my rice, I dilute it with water and pour it in my plants. You can also use the boiled rice water. It can be used after 2 to 3 days. Leave it in a closed container. After fermentation, it becomes more effective. You need to dilute it in the ratio of 1:10 and use it every 15 days. Pour it in the pot or spray it on the plants. It is also a great pest control on plants. The starch in the rice water encourages beneficially or good soil bacteria. Apart from all these, you can also use all the water used to boil potato, eggs, vegetables, pasta. Just let it cool completely and then dilute it with water and use it. Your plants will love it and will shower you with lots of love by giving flowers and fruits. I hope you found this video useful. If you would like to see such interesting videos, don't forget to like and share and hit the bell icon. So every time I post a video, you will receive the notification and it is free. So see you next time. Till then, take care and bye-bye.